Here's a GRE algebra question. Let's take a look. A portrait with dimensions A inches by B inches is surrounded by a frame measuring 3 inches on each side. Which of the following represents the area of just the frame? Okay, so we have this picture right here, right? Or this portrait, dimensions A by B. I'm just going to draw a little friend in there. There we go. Boom. Dimensions A by B. And we have this bigger rectangle around it, this frame, which is 3 inches on each side. What we want to do is calculate the area of just the frame, so just the blue part. How are we going to do that? Well, big picture, it's going to be the big rectangle, right, minus the smaller rectangle. Because if we find the area of the big rectangle, this whole thing, and we subtract out the part that we don't want, we're left with the part that we do want, right, this frame. So we have the dimensions of this frame. It's A times B. What are the dimensions of this bigger rectangle? We might say it's just going to be A plus 3 times B plus 3, but not so fast. Remember that it's 3 inches on each side, right? 3 inches on each side. So that means that this bigger rectangle is going to have dimensions A plus 6 and B plus 6. Always helpful when we're dealing with a frame problem to write these numbers out so you don't fall victim to that trap. Okay, so let's figure out the area of this big rectangle here. It's going to be A plus 6 times B plus 6, right? A plus 6 times B plus 6. And to take out the part that we don't want, we're going to subtract out the area of the smaller rectangle, the picture of our friend right here, A times B. All right, we're ready to go. Let's FOIL this in. That's B plus 6, not B plus C. There we go. So it's going to be A times B, AB, plus A times 6, 6A, plus B times 6, 6B, 6B, there we go, plus 6 times 6, which is 36, minus AB. Okay, so we have plus AB and minus AB. Those guys are going to cancel out, and we're left with 6A plus 6B plus 36, which corresponds to answer option D. For more GRE tips and tricks, or to sign up for my online course, follow the link on my profile.